Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making these adorable jellyfish earrings. Grab your supplies and let's do it! Take your pink and white clay and mix it together until it becomes a swirly ball. I will be using this sand dollar mold. Start by placing a little bit of bacon bond in the bottom so that the clay will stick to it better. You won't need a lot, just very little. Cut off a small amount of pink clay and roll it into a ball. And then place this inside of the tiny groove inside of the mold. You'll repeat this 5 times. When you're done, you'll have a flower pattern. Then press in your tie-dye pattern ball. Then use something round to carve out a hole. Use a stick pin to make a hole all the way through the center. Leave this in when you bake it. Using a stick pin, thread on some beads. I'm using very tiny pearl beads. These will be the jellyfish tentacles. I will be making 5 of these for each earring. I'm bending the stick pin to make it wavy, like jellyfish tentacles. Once I have it to the shape I would like, I'm going to add a few more beads. Then I'm going to close it off by making an eye hook. Once you've baked your jellyfish top, bend the top and the bottom of the stick pin into an eye hook. And then resin. Now assemble your jellyfish earrings. Place 5 of your strands of beads on a jump ring. And then connect this to the bottom of the jellyfish. Attach the top of your jellyfish to a jump ring and add the earring hook. I'm adding a little bit of super glue to the top of the eye hook. That's just to keep it in place so that it does not move around. And these are your beach fun earrings. Please check out my other videos. I do post twice a week. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!